Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable two-factor authentication on Bitpay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bitpay.com and press enter. You will then be taken into the official Bitpay website, from which you can click on the login button at the top right corner to proceed with using your credentials to log into your account. Now, once you are logged in, you will be taken into your home page or your dashboard. From this page, if you wish to enable two-factor authentication to secure your account, then you will need to click on your account icon at the top right corner first. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings, and then from the Settings page, click on Security. Now, within Security, you will find the two-factor authentication option. Click on the Enable button, and now you will be asked to download the Authenticator app, whichever you prefer to use. You will then need to generate a verification code using this Authenticator app. From this app, you can simply scan the QR code or use the manual entry option. If you click on manual entry, you will need to enter the provided key. Just enter the provided key within your Authenticator app, and then you will find the verification code within the Authenticator app. Simply enter this code that you find within the app in the third step and click on Enable. Once you do all of these steps correctly, your two-factor authentication will be enabled, and you will need to verify your login on any new device every single time using the Authenticator app. And there you have it. That is how you can enable two-factor authentication on Bitpay. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.